Welcome back to BikeZone channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Honda VFR 1000. This bike promises to blend performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. So let's explore what makes this model a standout in the sport touring segment. Design and aesthetics. First up, the design. The 2025 VFR 1000 showcases a sleek and aerodynamic profile, drawing inspiration from Honda's racing heritage. With its aggressive lines, sharp LED lighting, and a striking color palette, it looks every bit the sport bike while maintaining the practicality needed for long rides. The attention to detail in the fairing and the dual exhaust adds to its premium look. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the VFR 1000 is powered by a robust 1000cc V4 engine. This powerhouse delivers exhilarating performance, with a peak output that ensures thrilling acceleration and a smooth power delivery across the RPM range. The bike features advanced ride-by-wire technology, allowing for precise throttle response and multiple riding modes tailored to different conditions, enhancing both performance and safety. Suspension and handling. When it comes to handling, the VFR 1000 doesn't disappoint. It boasts a fully adjustable suspension system designed to provide exceptional stability and comfort, whether you're carving through twisties or cruising on the highway. The lightweight chassis contributes to agile handling, making it a joy to ride in various scenarios. Technology and features. In terms of technology, the 2025 VFR 1000 is packed with features. The TFT display provides a wealth of information at a glance, including navigation, performance metrics, and rider modes. Honda's smart key system enhances convenience, while advanced safety features like traction control and cornering abs give riders added confidence on the road. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort is key in a sport touring bike, and Honda has delivered. The seating position strikes a perfect balance between sporty and comfortable, with a well-padded seat that supports long-distance rides. Adjustable windscreen and heated grips ensure a pleasant experience in various weather conditions, making it a perfect companion for any journey. Conclusion. To wrap it up, the 2025 Honda VFR 1000 is shaping up to be a formidable contender in the sport touring market. With its powerful engine, advanced technology, and thoughtful design, it promises to deliver an exceptional riding experience. Whether you're a seasoned rider or looking to get into the sport touring scene, this bike is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest motorcycles. Thanks for watching, and ride safe. Thanks for joining BikeZone.